As a reminder, Yi Heng Wang's worst possible average will still get him at least second.
Maybe a small look up. Oh, E-Perm?
No! Max Park is your world champion!
What? What?
Yi Heng Wang's lost it!
It's every speedcuber's dream to win the Rubik's Cube World Championship. It's the championship that decides everyone's fate. Either you're the champion or you're not. It doesn't forgive mistakes. But if you think about it, the World Championship can tell you exactly who is the fastest to solve a Rubik's Cube. You can just get unlucky. That's what happened to Yi Heng Wang. And very often we see guys who solve incredibly fast, but can't fully prove themselves in competitions. I made a video in which I talked about 5 speedcubers who can make their first sub 3 in the competition. And many people started to write me that I forgot one very important and fastest speedcuber in the world according to many people. Now try to guess who it is. Ruihan Xu, Matthew Hiroto, Kyle Santucci,
Whoa. What?
Yufang Du. Of course, it's Kyle Santucci. Almost every comment was about this man, and I totally agree. Kyle has an incredible solve style that allows him to make an average time of 3:96. He's the first person to do it on camera. What surprises me is that he doesn't scream with joy at sub 3. Also, he placed 3rd at the Nationals in 2023. But there's one problem. Kyle can do the same incredible solves in competition. Maybe he's nervous. I don't know. His fastest official solve is a 4:26. But still, I think he could be the first to sub 3 in competition. Let's wish him luck. Let me know what you think.